Hello friends, welcome to another informative video tutorial on how to save videos on Facebook. To start, open your Facebook app on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. Tap on the videos icon at the bottom of the screen. So, let's save a random video. You tap on the three dots beside the video and you select Save to watch later. Then you save it to your collections or you add to a new collections. So I'll be saving mine to my collections here. Now to find your saved video, you tap your profile icon at the top right of the video page. At the top right here, this is your profile icon. You tap on it. Here you can see saved videos. Tap on it. So here are all the videos I've saved before and the one I just saved now. You can tap on it to watch it. You can also find your saved videos by tapping on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you locate saved. You tap on it. So here are all of the videos you have saved, your reels, the ones you've saved before and the ones we just saved now. They are right here. So that's all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips. Bye and see you in the next video.